Did you know Japan ran a secret program that was so evil, they hid it for decades? During World War II, Japan created Unit 731, a fake water research center that was actually a nightmare factory. Led by scientist Shiro Ishii, this unit built a massive compound in China where they did horrible experiments on thousands of living people. They tested deadly diseases like plague and anthrax on prisoners. They performed surgery without pain medicine just to see what would happen. They even dropped plague-infected fleas over Chinese cities to test their biological weapons. But here's the shocking part. After the war ended, America made a secret deal with these war criminals. Instead of putting them in jail, they gave them immunity in exchange for their research data. Many of these scientists went on to have successful careers in Japan while their victims were forgotten. The full truth about Unit 731 stayed hidden for decades, making it one of history's most covered up war crimes. If you're interested in more dark history stories, hit that follow button.